Now the last thing is a minus. The minus is nothing but it will return all the distinct rows selected by the first query but not from the second. For example, here see, I am executing the query like this. Select department ID, department name, there's a department ID 10, 20, 30 is coming. Then I execute the first select query. And here the department ID 20, 30 and 40 is coming for the second set of the select query. Okay. Now when I combinedly and execute, I got the department ID 10 alone. As you already know, this first part is return the department ID 10, 20 and 30, right? And this part is return 20, 30 and 40. For example, see like this. My first query return the department ID 10, 20 and 30. And my second query is return the department ID 20, 30 and 40. So now Oracle will check when you put in minus, okay, it will check this 10 is there or not. No, it is not there. And it will check this 20 is there. Yes, 20 department ID is there. Okay, I mean it will check the entire row, not only the department ID. For your understanding, I'm just picking the one column alone. So the same row department ID 20 in research means that row is exactly there in your second query or not, like that it will search. Yes, it is there means then it will remove this. Okay, then it will check department ID 30 is there. Okay, then it is there in my second query. Yes, so here 30 also get removed. If particular row is present in the second queries also means then the entire row will be removed, and at last only one department ID alone is pending, right? So from your first query only the remaining part of the department ID will shown you as a result. So that's why here the department ID 10, department name accounting is coming in my result, because the department ID 20 and 30, always see the first set of the select query alone, don't see the second set of the select query when you do the minus set operator. So it will remove the whenever whatever the rows you got in your first select query, it will take the distinct part which is not present in your second set of the select query. Okay, this is what the minus